The eruption, which started in the Reykjanes Peninsula of Iceland, after 25 days is over. It just started like this, in a huge, oozing of the lava from the ground, and biggest spike in the Tremors chart. But now, the activity seems to have dwindled and practically is non-existent anymore. We don't see any tremors due to this. The magma line and the tremors line practically are going down. The trend is downward. The magma is receding and the tremors have stopped for that region. What we are seeing is mostly related to the machinery working around the volcano's crater. This is the KayOne, has no evidence for any glowing lava or lava pool at the bottom of it. Just a tiny stream to the right, you can see there. This volcano seems is over, is finished. What we are seeing from the above is matching from what we see on the ground. And this is the 55-meter tall and the lava tube and the cone of the volcano sadly sitting there and going to finish for now, at least. This is the last episode of it, when we trampled over the last lava flow by the bulldozer, practically, cooling down the last remaining stream of the lava, which invaded the Svartsengi geothermal power plant. The map of it was interesting. It crossed again over the KayOne crater from the previous eruption. This is the summary of the latest update by the Icelandic Meteorological Office. I have covered it for you, and I've covered more one. L1 is the wall that was invaded by the lava. The GPS data shows that the rise in the accumulation of the magma under the Svartsengi is very slow compared to the other ones. The slope on the red one, which was the lowest one, was very shallow. It's not going to happen very soon.